Australia's top order used the festive period to rediscover its mojo, helping the hosts claim early honours on Boxing Day. Having won their first toss of this Border Gavaskar Trophy, Australia's top four of Sam Constance, Usman Khawaja, Marnus Labuschagne and Steve Smith all passed 50, and while the former three missed out on converting their efforts into three-figure scores, their contributions were vital in the opening day total of 3-1-1 for 6. For India, Jasprit Bumrah's double strike in the final session and Akash Deep's large-hearted effort allowed them to stay in the game. After 3 tests, Australia had wanted to throw something different at India, and that quest took them to 19-year-old Sam Constance, who was tasked with upsetting the hegemony that Bumrah enjoyed over the hosts' top 3. The debutant uncorked the party popper, dazzling a raucous holiday crowd at the famous stadium with the unbridled audacity of his stroke play. He reverse-scooped and charged India's fast bowlers, was unafraid to get into confrontations and generally put a large spanner in India's works early in this contest on a good surface at the MCG. He was helped out by dollops of fortune along the way, not least in the first over when he was beaten 4 times by Bumrah. The youngster's response was to try a pair of reverse scoops, but his bat only connected the thin Melbourne air on each occasion. That matchup, though, turned on its head in the 7th over when Constance connected thrice with his reverse scoops. 2 of them went to the ropes and the other dropped over it, the first time Bumrah had conceded a 6 in the format since the Sydney Test of 2021. It set the cat among the pigeons for India in a period of play that forced even the cerebral Bumrah to bowl wide ball lengths. His 6-over first spell cost 38, with Constance having scored 34 of the 33 he faced from India's talisman. More importantly, that meant Khawaja, who had fallen 4 previous times to Bumrah in this series, faced only 3 balls from his nemesis in that first spell and could get his innings flowing against the others. Once he'd forced India into putting a fly stop in the first hour of a test match, Constance set about on a new plan, to back away and drill the fast bowlers through the off-side. He swatted away anything shot through mid-wicket, unafraid to hit the ball in the air. He became Australia's second youngest test match half-centurion, getting to the feet of just 52 balls and marked that feat by smashing Siraj for a 4 and a 6 off the next 2 deliveries, taking his tally of boundaries to 8, 6x4s, 2x6s. His enterprise eventually ended on 60 when Jadeja beat him on the inside edge and won an LBW appeal to break the 89-run opening stand. But the youngster, who walked back to a rousing ovation, had set the innings up for the rest of the batters, especially for Khawaja and Labuschagne, who enjoyed relatively fuss-free starts to their innings. After conceding 112 runs in just 25 overs of the first session, India found their bowl-dry skills in the next as they operated with straight lines and an extra fielder on the leg side. Akash Deep and Bumrah bowled 2 maidens each to begin the second session before Khawaja ended the route with a pulled boundary. Both Deep and Bumrah also found the edges, but on each occasion the softer ball coupled with an early lack of zip off the surface meant the catches didn't carry to the cordon. Only 26 runs came in the 13 overs of play in the hour to drinks, during which period Khawaja got through to his first half-century of the series. Mohammad Siraj, at the other end, had Labuschagne in a lot of discomfort with deliveries cutting back into the right-hander. Eventually, all the attrition paid off for India when Bumrah returned for another spell and ended the 65-run stand by accounting for Khawaja for a 5th time in these 4 tests. This one though was slightly fortuitous as Khawaja toe ended a pull shot straight to mid-wicket, drawing a look of surprise even from the bowler. The end of one partnership brought Australia's best 2 batters to the middle. Smith, fresh off 100 in Brisbane, was quick off the blocks, particularly against Jadeja, who he routinely stepped down the pitch to loft over the top. The pair of Labuschagne and Smith were eager to cash in on a ball that was 53 overs old at the start of the final session, adding 61 runs from the first 12 overs. Deep produced another probing but luckless spell and caught Smith on the shuffle on 2 occasions, with the master batter reprieved once by umpire's call and the other time when India threw away a review. But their luck turned straight after the drinks break when Labuschagne charged out to Washington Sundar and hit a catch straight to Virat Kohli at mid-off. Australia then went from 237 for 2 to 246 for 5 as Bumrah produced another probing spell with the old ball. He cleaned up Travis Head for a duck when the series top scorer shouldered arms and then had Mitchell Marsh caught behind for 4 attempting a swipe across the line. It was at this stage that Australia found a useful 53-run stand between Alex Carey and Smith before the former fell for 31 to the tireless Deep when India took the second new ball. Smith and Cummins saw off the remainder of the tricky session under lights with the star batter finishing unbeaten on 68. Brief scores: Australia 311 sixths, Marnus Labuschagne 72, Steve Smith 68 *, Jasprit Bumrah 3 to 75 vs India.